This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Cut the potato in the middle and cut it in half into small pieces. Take a toothpick and skewer it into a herringbone shape. Put 2 toothpicks tip to tip, and you have the magic of balance. Pour the milk into the cola. Shake it vigorously a few times. Wait for 24 hours. Coke becomes transparent. Put an iron pin in the middle of a candle. Put it between 2 glasses. Light both ends of the candle. The candle will be jumping. The original non-magnetic match head can be easily sucked up by a magnet after burning. Drop ink on the end of the leaf. Put it in the water. The leaf is like putting on a thrust engine. Pour the sand into the pot. Shake it evenly. Put a small magnetic iron ball into it. The little ball then draws in the sand. Wrap the pencil and matches in tinfoil. Pull out the pencil. Put the tinfoil into the cup and heat the end of the tinfoil. The smoke will flow down. Pour some hot water into the glass bottle. Turn the bottle upside down. Put an ice cube in the bottom of the bottle. The water in the bottle will boil again. Did you learn how to do that?